You don't have to be an expert or to spend a lot of money to make money online. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make an extra $100 with PLR products. If you're new to this channel, then this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing, and a lot more. So the first question is, what are PLR products? So PLR products are products with private label rights, which you can use as giveaways. You can give it them as bonuses in your affiliate campaigns. You can also sell them, or you can rebrand them completely and create your own unique products. But in order to do that, you have to follow some specific steps. So I'll be showing you my ninja strategy to make money online with PLR products. So there are 6 steps which you have to follow. So step number 1 is finding a PLR product. That's the main step. And you can find PLR products in any category, any niche. So it doesn't matter if you're into health and fitness, self-help, or make money online, you will get PLR products in all the categories. So in order to find the PLR products, you can go to Google and type PLR products. And you will find all these different websites which are selling PLR products. But the thing with most of these websites are you have to pay monthly charges to keep on using the PLR products from these sites, or you can just also buy them one-off at one-time price as well. Like you want to buy a particular product, you can just get it for like $10, $12 or $20 or whatever these guys are charging. So this is one way to find the PLR products, but my preferred way is I'm gonna give you this particular site, which is PLR Vault, and this particular site contains more than 300 videos, 1500 plus ebooks, and these guys are updating content on monthly basis, and you will have wide variety of PLR content for just one-time price. So this is not monthly charges, so you're going to get all your PLR products for just one-time price. So this is the first step of finding the PLR product. The second step is understanding the content. So let's say you have downloaded a particular product, be it an ebook or it is a video. Then you need to understand it. You need to go through that particular product and see what it is all about. Make sure you understand the topic, so that it is going to help you when you go to the next step. And the next step is tweak it. Yes, you need to tweak that particular product. So be it an ebook or a video, just make note for whatever you're going through, whether it's an ebook or a video. Just make notes, and then you just need to tweak it a certain bit. And the next step comes is rebranding. So by rebranding, I mean, if you've got a video, then you need to reshoot that video in your own words. You do not have to show your face to record that video. You can just do a screen recording and just talk about that. You can use Screencast-O-Matic. There are different tools which are available to record your screen. So you have to rebrand that and make it as your own. That's the main thing, whether it's an ebook or a video. So just completely rebrand it. That's the step number 4. The next step is rewrite and re-record it, as I said. So after rebranding, make sure that you rewrite and re-record those PLR products, because there are many people who are going to sell the same product, because those PLR products are available for anyone, right? So you need to make them as your own. Add your own spin to it, whether it's an ebook or video. Just make sure you go through it and see what is missing in that particular video. Just add that, add your own spin, add your own content to it. That's the step number 5. And the final step is to launch that particular product as your own. And you can launch it on Warrior Plus, you can launch it on JVZoo. There are people who are launching PLR products on these platforms, and they're also launching their own products. So The idea which I'm giving you is to create your own unique product, which you can sell it for $100, $20, whatever, or you can also give it away for as free as bonus in your affiliate campaigns. So these are the 6 steps in order to make an extra $100 with PLR products. And if you want to know more about these steps, and if you want to go into more details about each and every step, then I'll give a link to a course which is PLR Profits down below. This is how the course will look like. You're going to get these different lessons of using the PLRs, how to edit it, how to design your book, the bonuses. So you are going to get all these different videos, different topics on how to rebrand a PLR product and make your own unique product. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.